total utility and marginal utility. I will tell you what is called total utility and marginal utility. Suppose a child, for a child, or you yourself, everybody likes chocolate, is it not? You give a Cadbury chocolate, if you consume 5 chocolate, you will get a full satisfaction. Full satisfaction. 6 chocolate you take, but you may not like it. 7 chocolate you will throw it off. Therefore, assume that your capacity or you will feel satisfied fully if I give 5 chocolate. If I give 1 chocolate, you may not be satisfied very much. 2 may not be. Okay. 3, okay, very good. 5, very nice. Enough. Like that. In that case, let us see how we will analyze. How is that? Okay. Now, what I said, suppose you consume 5 chocolates. You feel satisfaction. You have your own measurement. Your satisfaction level is 20 units for 5 chocolates. Okay? 5 chocolates, this one you get so much, 20 units satisfactions. Right? What is marginal utility? That's called satisfaction level. What is marginal utility? This is an additional extra utility. Say example, first I will eat 1 chocolate. When 1 each chocolate means your satisfaction level comes 8. Right? Marginal utility also 8. That's all. Now, you will be fully satisfied only if 20 units are there. Now, I will take another chocolate. Therefore, what is your, instead of 20, now you have reached 4. Your satisfaction level reached 14. 14. And what is the marginal utility? 6. Now, if you take third chocolate, your satisfaction level becomes 18. Therefore, your urge, this is also called urge, you can call it. What is your urge? Your urge has come down, 4. Still I want to take, this is an urge, I want to take more like this way. Because you are satisfied, 18. Still you are not satisfied, little. Now if I take 4th chocolate, what will happen? You have reached 20, but your urge is there. You don't know whether you feel it is 20 is enough, but little urge is there. I have to take it. That's called extra utility. If I take, it will be better. But when you take the 5th chocolate, you feel no change. You felt I should not have taken it also. That means what? You will not have any urge at all. You have reached the satisfaction. Now I force you to take another chocolate. You said you don't want at all. You start hating. Right? Your urge reversed. See, this is the thing. Marginal utility reversed. Now how to plot this? Right? Now when I took 1 chocolate, only 1 chocolate, what is the level of satisfaction? 8. When I took 2 chocolate, it becomes 14. Right? At the same time, here also marginal utility is 8. And what about this case? When I took 14, what is the marginal utility? Here, next when I take 18, that is what, when I third chocolate, it become what? 18 somewhere it comes here. 4th chocolate, what happens? 20 it has come. 4th chocolate, 20. 5th chocolate also, 20. 7th chocolate, it has come down. Then what is happening here? It is increasing here. It is coming here. It reached the maximum point. This is point of satisfaction. Point of satisfaction. That is what? 5 chocolate. That is what? That 5. 5. What about the marginal? If you compare, first it is what? When you took 1 chocolate, marginal utility, same urge, same thing. Both. After taking second chocolate, what happened? Your urges come down 6. Your urges come down 6. After taking a third chocolate, your urges come down to 4. And after taking a 4th chocolate, your urges come to 2. And when you take the 5th chocolate, you don't feel like taking it. And further, if you take another chocolate, you are coming down. Then what is happening here? Down. This is what? Marginal utility. This is total utility curve. It goes here. This is point of, this is called law of diminishing marginal utility. Right? See, they may ask you statement of law of diminishing utility, DME, for 1 mark. When other things are constant, this is very, when everything is kept constant, the number of units, see the number of units of commodity means your chocolate consumed increases, what happened? The marginal utility diminishes. For every 1 unit, if I take 1 unit, the marginal utility diminishes. That's all. That means when other things are constant, as the number of units of the commodity consumed increases, the marginal utility of that commodity diminishes. That's all. You understood? Therefore, this is a very, very important. You will understand, right? For every unit, the marginal unity diminishes. It reaches the maximum at the point. This statement, you do it. This I have written here. The other things remain constant. As the number of unit of the commodity consumed increases, the marginal utility of the commodity chocolate diminishes. That's all. This you have to write it. Okay? Diminishes or diminishing stock they may write. Okay? In the next class I will tell you, read several times this.